National Weather Service in Miami has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Deerfield Beach to Ocean Reef, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Jupiter Inlet to Deerfield Beach, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. Waters from Deerfield Beach to Ocean Reef, Florida, from 20 to 60 nautical miles, excluding the territorial waters of Bahamas. Waters from Jupiter Inlet to Deerfield Beach, Florida, from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 2:45 p.m. At 12:37 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from 6 nautical miles west of Riviera Beach to near Barn Sound, moving east at 55 knots. Hazard: waterspouts and wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source: radar. Impact: waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Severe thunderstorms will remain over mainly open waters. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or the National Weather Service. You can also share your report with National Weather Service Miami on Facebook and Twitter.